when it comes to finding your Mr. Right partner, or when you want to manifest love, that you want to correct the fight that you had with your partner, when you want to go and cure off that situation. People are not listening to my problem. What actually you have to do in terms of manifesting the love or finding the right partner or solving the current relationship problem that you have is you have to start generating love within. Usually whenever we manifest things, we usually have lot of when we manifest money, we usually have lot of currency notes. Whatever we manifest, we usually have lot of vision boards and all that. When we manifest for pregnancy, we have lot of baby photographs. But when it comes to our relationship, what we manifest is we wanted to manifest the love. But the problem here is when we are in deeper need of solving this love issue, even sometimes pre-marriage or sometimes post-marriage, when we really want to get in touch with our partner and we really crave for their attention, what really happens is we are actually lacking that love inside. So universe will only manifest what you actually have it. So it will create or it will manifest even more vacuum inside, or even more lots and lots of separations again and again. Many a times in love, I don't know whether you have noted it or not, but just go ahead and just look it in the past 30 days of your life. Whenever you have tried to solve the problem with your partner, you could have seen that the problem is getting bigger and bigger again and again. And the problem is becoming even more bigger. You want to solve the problem is bigger, becoming big. You want to go and talk to your mother-in-law, the problem is becoming big. You want to go and solve your fight with your boyfriend, that's becoming even more big. The reason is there is a lot of vacuum inside, which means there is no self love. So the only big way to manifest love or find the love that we want is, first predominant primary step is to fill ourselves, to generate the love from within. And that is the first step that we have to do. Once when you start doing this self love, probably you will be start manifesting even more. And even before you want you are wanting that partner to come and talk to you, they will automatically come and talk to you. You will start generating a lot of love, romance in life. So go ahead and start loving yourself. Don't run at the back of people, wanting to people to love you and wanting to show all that is inside you. You will be in a lot of anxiety, stress, and you'll be depressed. So don't try doing it. First love yourself. Things will automatically fall in place. Bye bye, take care.